Hello guys, welcome you all to the RK feed. Today I'm gonna show you how you can make a fancy bio for your Instagram as well as add blank spaces in your bio. So starting right in, I'm at my Instagram right now and this is my Insta page. I hope you have followed it. If not done, do follow. Directly we'll go to the edit profile and here this is the bio, but I'm gonna make a temporary bio for testing it what I'm going to show you. So I'm going to just write in some text. Okay, so as soon as you finish writing the text, let's make it 3 lines over here. We'll select the text entirely. Whatsoever you've written, you need to select it by just double clicking select all you can do. Then you need to go to your Chrome browser. Okay, after you've opened your Chrome browser, here you need to search cool symbol. After you click on the Google search, you need to click on the first link, the icon with the tick mark, that's one. And here input your text here. Here you need to paste your text which you have selected from your bio. Entirely you should paste it over here. And when you scroll down, you can see that these are the various font styles which it has converted from your original text, and you can just copy them and directly paste it into your bio. It will directly go in as it is showing over here. So I'll copy this style over here. Then I'll go back to my Instagram and I'll paste it over here. I'll just remove all this which is already there and then I'll paste it over here. Long press, paste. Yeah. Okay, so I'll also just adjust it a little so that it should show in the next line as I had written it earlier. This will go to the next line and also from here it will go to the next line. When you click on save, you can see that the fancy text has appeared over here, and you can see also my username. I already done for that also before recording this video. Now I'm going to show you how you can add blank spaces. So you'll go to the notepad of your device, in whichever device you are using it. First of all, you'll bring the text to the equal lines howsoever you want to make it appear. Then in order to add blank spaces, you need to use this square bracket. Both the opening and the closing thing should be there, and you can give spaces in middle, and later on how much space you need you can give it over there, but it's nothing as such that how much minimum space you should give. Then after you have done this, you need to select that thing, go to your edit profile, and here you need to paste it along with the brackets. So when you will select it, first we need to remove what is over there. Now you will paste that text over here which you have written in notepad, and by clicking just in front of the brackets you need to delete the brackets. So I am just clicking in front of the brackets over here and I am deleting. So already the blank space is there which it has saved as text. Now you can see that there is the blank space. I hope you liked the video, and this is how you can make a fancy bio for an Instagram to attract more followers.